Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Fern's Life. I hope you all are doing well. I'll be sharing with you my weekend in this video. This is Saturday morning and I wake up at 5:20 a.m. every day. I start my day by drinking water, lots and lots of it. The reason I wake up so early is to fill water because we do not get water for 24 hours, and hence, this is the only time when I get to stock up the water that I need for my daily activities. I also use this time to wash the clothes, so the first thing is to get the washer loaded. I then use a pipe that connects to a tap outside my home that allows the water to come into my bathroom. I then start getting all the dishes that's been washed the previous night in its places. That helps me clear my kitchen and keeps it ready. I know the mornings look very busy, but this is how every morning starts. I then have a bath, change, and once I'm all fresh and ready, I light an incense stick and pray to the Lord. I try not to miss this time because this is the only time that gives me that inner peace and that connection that I need with God to be able to feel loved and to give love. I say a thank you prayer for giving me this day and to also give me the strength to do all the work that I have planned. I'll now be writing down my plans for the day. One of the plan being shooting this vlog and the grocery list that I need to buy. It's 7 a.m. and अभी मैं अपने प्यारी सी बिटिया को उठा रही हूँ. She is just not wanting to get up, as you can see. I'm telling her, look into the camera, you're live. I want to make sure that Sophie is happy when she wakes up. And so I keep telling her, be thankful for a new day. But बच्चे तो बच्चे होते हैं. Once Sophie is all ready, she changes into something comfortable and we are outdoors practicing football. I look forward to spending this time with her as it's nice and cool outdoors, and due to the lockdown, we are anyways restricted to step out, so I try to make most of this time. I got Sophie into learning football as I really wanted her to learn a sport. Sports not only helps to keep the body active and fit, but it also has these inner values which instill discipline, sportsmanship spirit, and teamwork. And I really hope Sophie learns these in the process. Now that Sophie is all set into her practice, I come home and start preparing my husband's lunchbox. आज बन रहा है quick paneer sabzi and for breakfast a pasta dish. पनीर सब्ज़ी बनाने के लिए मैंने लिया है एक अनियन, एक ग्रीन चिली, एक टमाटर, also little ginger garlic paste, tomato ketchup, that's the secret ingredient, salt of course, and all the dry masalas. मैंने एक पैन में पहले थोड़ा तेल लिया, जीरा जीरा जैसे क्रैकल होने लगता है, आई ऐड द अनियंस, द चिली एंड आई स्टर इट इन द ऑयल सो दैट द अनियंस गेट सॉफ्ट. उसके बाद आई ऐड जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट एंड देन ऑल द ड्राई मसालास. साथ ही साथ मैं रोटी भी बना रही हूँ ताकि मेरा टाइम बच सके. वैसे अभी बज रहा है 8 के आसपास. सो this is how I manage cooking the lunch box. अब मैंने मसालास डालने के बाद थोड़ा टमाटर डाल के उसको ढक के रखा है ताकि दे कैन कुक एंड पैकिंग माई हस्बैंड्स रोटीज़ सो दैट्स आउट ऑफ द वे. जो चीज़ों की ज़रूरत नहीं है आई कीप देम अवे. And then I add the paneer once the tomato and the masalas are cooked. Also a little tomato ketchup right now. And then I cover it and that's it. The paneer is done for another 5-10 minutes. Now I'm going to make the white sauce pasta. So for that, the base, which is white sauce, to make that I add a little butter and 2 spoons of maida. Now we need to stir this on low flame. So I heat the pan and then I put the pan on low flame and cook it all. In the process we have to keep adding milk. धीरे धीरे मैंने 3 से 4 बार दूध ऐड किया हुआ है and made it that consistency. And then in a separate dish I added oil, a little onion, chili, garlic. Once that's fried, the pastas, the corn, the chicken, and then the white sauce. Mixed it all, added the seasoning, which includes oregano, mixed herbs, and chili flakes, and that's it. Husband's lunchbox, breakfast, both packed, and he's now off to work. हेलो. अब जाके मुझे थोड़ा फुर्सत मिला. हस्बैंड इज़ गॉन टू वर्क और ऐसा लग रहा है कि दिन का बहुत बड़ा टास्क ख़त्म हो गया, बट एक्चुअली में दिन मेरी जस्ट शुरू हुई है. सो एनीवेज वो गए हैं. उनको ब्रेकफास्ट भी मुझे पैक ही करके देना पड़ा बिकॉज उनको लेट हो रहा था. ऑलमोस्ट 9 हो गया था. ही लीव्स बाय अराउंड 8:45. सो बिकॉज टाइम हो गया था वी आई पैक्ड हिज ब्रेकफास्ट द पास्ता दैट आई मेड एंड होपफुली ही लाइक्स इट. बस अब घर का काम. इफ़ यू नोटिस the bedding needs to be folded and madam has come after playing her football. So we'll do the bed and then we'll give Sophie a bath and we will then have our breakfast. So I'll see you soon. At this point, I'm speaking with my husband, checking if he's reached okay, whether he's had his breakfast, and also something unusual happened. Sophie started vomiting. Not sure why, so I was a little concerned. पता नहीं अभी सोफी को क्या हो गया है. शी स्टार्टेड वॉमिटिंग अचानक. आई थिंक इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ हर अपसेट स्टमक बट आई एम नॉट श्योर. आई होप शी इज़ ऑल राइट सून. शी इज़ सेइंग शी इज़ फीलिंग बेटर. कभी कभी होता है उल्टी निकलने के बाद यू फील बेटर. So maybe that was just something that was upsetting her and now she'll be fine. Anyways, I don't think we'll have breakfast so soon because of her tummy being upset. So we'll take Cookie out for a walk now. And no, before that, we'll give her a bath. I think that will make her feel fresh, and then we'll take Cookie out for a bath. And then we will have breakfast. So let's see. How are you feeling now, Sophie?
A little, but that vomity taste is still in my mouth.
Vomity taste is still in your mouth. Don't worry, I'll change your taste. Keep this clip away. Also, the oil bottle. Keep it back from where you removed it. And the landline, please. Sorry, that flew. Keep everything in its place. Come, Cookie. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come, Cookie, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Cookie, don't waste time.
Get that other one. Come on. What happened to you? Don't want to come? You don't want to come?
I'll catch her. I'm good at catching. Gotcha.
Put her down. Put her down.
Take.
Put her down. Put her down. Why are you doing like this, Cookie? Don't want to come? Come on. Are we ready to go, Cookie? Cookie. Come on. Sophie, what is that in your hand?
Phone.
Whose phone is this?
Mine.
Why are you taking it with you?
Because it's my phone. Like how we all take your phone out.
Oh, okay. Very nice. Sophie has a play phone she's carrying with her.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette.
So breakfast is ready for Sophie. She'll be having pasta that I made, corn and chicken pasta, and I'll have one chapati with paneer sabji. While we are having our breakfast, Sophie is telling me all the stories that she wants to. She's now going to tell me about some sort of spy agency she's a part of. It's called CTIA, and that's the reason why she keeps getting phone calls. So that's her story. We also use this time to learn something on YouTube, any general knowledge related topic, something of knowledge that will basically keep us updated. So this is what we do during our breakfast. Why are you not having it?
Oh, well, I have everything, but only leave the chicken. You have the chicken.
Sana you want?
Chicken.
Corn also have, no?
No, not that.
Careful, my milk will.
Grab everything.
Nakra wali you are with food. So breakfast is done. Milk glass is over, and and I feel so satisfied after eating and having my glass of milk, especially the milk, because I don't know, I've been feeling nice with that milk taste, and especially that protein X powder. So I just wait to have that taste. Yeah, the vanilla flavor especially. Anyways, it's going on 10:30 now, and I need to hurry up and go to the market because I have planned to make uh, certain things today for food, but I do not have the items. So I'll be going to the market very quickly, as the market will close by 11. I'll go and I'll come. Meanwhile, I'll ask Sophie to do some studies. So she has certain assignments that she's supposed to do daily, which is basically practicing writing, then her tables. So she'll be doing that. And while I come, after I come, I will spend some time with her so that I keep her engaged while I go to the market. I'm not going to take her to the market, but I will keep her engaged in the house so that I quickly go and come, and then we'll do something together. So see you all after my marketing trip. I've just come from the market और देखो क्या हालत हो रखी. मैं ऊपर से नीचे भीग गई हूँ क्योंकि मैं एक चीज़ खरीद रही थी और उस वक्त खिड़की से पता नहीं कौन था वो, लेकिन ज़ोर से इतना सारा पानी मेरे आंख पे, और जो बंदा था, जो शॉप सेलर था, उसके भी आंख पे पानी. एंड वी आर वंडरिंग कहाँ से पानी आया. बारिश एकदम से तो हमारे ऊपर नहीं गिरेगी. एंड व्हेन वी सॉ, इट वाज फ्रॉम समवन्स विंडो वेयर ऑल द वाटर वेल. एंड आई एम थिंकिंग टू माई सेल्फ कि इनको कोई और जगह नहीं मिला, मेरे ऊपर ही बरसाना था पूरा पानी. ना आई डोंट नो अगर वो अच्छा पानी था या ख़राब पानी. आई एम थिंकिंग ख़राब ही होगा, नहीं तो कोई अच्छा पानी क्यों फेंकेगा. बट अब ये हालत हो गई है मेरी. लकीली आज ज़्यादा धूप नहीं था, बट बिना धूप होके भी मैं भीग गई हूँ. एनीवेज, मैंने सोफ़ी को एक काम दिया था बिफोर आई वेंट. लेट्स सी अगर उसने कंप्लीट किया कि नहीं. शो मी योर बुक. सो बेसिकली सोफ़ी इज सपोज टू राइट
one page of English.
One page of anything, but one page of English writing, so that her handwriting and her speed increases, and also practice रहेगा of writing. So let's see, 15th May. Okay, one entire page done. Yay, that's a good job. ठीक है, मैं आपको फटाफट दिखाती हूँ मैंने मार्केट से क्या लेके आया. वैसे तो मेरे हस्बैंड जाते हैं मार्केट हमेशा, एंड व्हाट वी डू इज़ वी बाय स्टफ फॉर द वीक. बट बिकॉज टुडे इज सैटरडे, तो हमारा वीकली ग्रोसरीज भी ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म होने को आ रहा था. नॉट ओनली दैट, देयर वर सम थिंग्स दैट आई हैड टू बाय which were getting over, and even though like that's not a part of the weekly groceries, I still had to buy it because it was getting over for the month. So I thought, since I'm going to the market, I'll buy and keep. And yeah, that's it. So I'll quickly show you what I have bought. Okay, so मैंने कुछ sweets लेके आई हूँ. ज़्यादा दिख रहा है actually, but they are just five of each. So there's Kit Kat, then there's this Milky Bar, then there's Munch. So I bought this because हमारे जो sweets का stock था वो ख़त्म हो गया था, and जनरली लंच डिनर के बाद वी हैव दिस हैबिट ऑफ हैविंग समथिंग स्वीट. सो मैंने ये सारे उठा के लाए. छोटे छोटे हैं, सो देयर एंड देन वी कैन फिनिश इट ऑफ. ऐसा लास्ट नहीं होगा ज़्यादा. I also had to pick dry fruits up. So I've picked badam, walnut and cashews. So I eat this generally in the morning time when I'm hungry after filling water. So कुछ अगर मतलब breakfast वगैरह ready नहीं है and it's early morning and I'm hungry, so I prefer eating dry fruits. तो वो सारे ख़त्म हो गए थे. I picked that up. मैंने गरम मसाला लिया एवरेस्ट का. मैंने वैनिश शक्ति O2, मैंने ना ये रिसेंटली स्टार्ट किया यूज़ करना. आई यूज़ टू नेवर यूज़ इट. आई यूज़ टू यूज़ ओनली द डिटर्जेंट. And I noticed with Vanish Shakti O2, like if I mix it with the detergent, the clothes get more cleaner. So सारे दाग वाग आराम से निकल जाते. So this had got over. I purchased this. स्क्रबर चाहिए था मुझे, एंड विम लिक्विड मेरा डिश के लिए, डिश वॉशिंग एसेंशियल वो ओवर. सो आई हैड टू पिक दैट अप. ये मैंने लेटिस एंड पर्पल कैबेज for husband's salad. So every day he has this big massive bowl of salad in which he has all sorts of vegetables mixed दैट्स हाउ अ सैलड इज़ बट उसी सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स में देवर दीज टू दैट वर ओवर्स, मैंने ये उठा के लाया. देन आई पिक दिस अप बिकॉज मेरा ये भी मसाला ख़त्म हो गया था एवरेस्ट का, रेड चिली पाउडर एंड मेरे मेडिसिन. सो या दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. माई विटामिन्स, कैल्शियम दैट आई एम सपोज टू टेक ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी. मैंने एक रूम फ्रेशनर भी लाया है. एम्बी प्योर चाहिए था बट दैट गॉट ओवर, आई डोंट नो व्हाई दैट वाजंट इन स्टॉक, सो आई पिक दिस अप. एंड इसमें है नारियल पानी, फ्रेश कोकोनट वाटर. आई पिक फॉर सोफी. इनफैक्ट ये नारियल पानी लेने के टाइम पे ही वो पानी गिर गया था मेरे आंख पे, तो मैं नारियल पानी खरीद रही थी और अलग सा किसी ने पानी बरसाया मेरे मेरे बॉडी पे. सो एनीवेज ये नारियल पानी फॉर सोफ़ी. एंड आई पिक चिकन. दैट्स मेन रीज़न वाई आई वेंट टू द मार्केट, बिकॉज मुझे फ्रेश चिकन लेना था टू कुक फॉर टुडेज़ मेन्यू. आपको पता चल जाएगा आज मेन्यू में क्या है. सो या दिस इज़ माई छोटा मोटा शॉपिंग दैट आई डिड फ्रॉम द मार्केट. एंड लकीली आई मैनेज टू गेट एवरीथिंग बिकॉज मार्केट्स वैसे भी बंद हो रहे थे. सो आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई पिक्ड अप वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट. वी देन से आवर प्रेयर्स. दिस इज़ माई ऑल्टर. सोचा आपको एक छोटा सा दर्शन देती हूँ हमारे छोटे से ऑल्टर का. And I prefer saying prayers with Sophie at this time of the day because the moment I wake her, she's still sleepy. So if I read the Bible or explain to her anything, she might not be able to recollect and understand. While reading the Bible this day, the reading was about asking for what we want and we will receive it. Jesus says, ask and you shall receive. And I was explaining to her that, in life, if you need anything, ask His help, ask His strength. I really like this time because I get to explain to her basic values of life, how she needs to be, and also build her faith, make it more strong. And this time really helps us to get working on that aspect. कौन आया है घर पे?
राजवीर.
इधर आ, कैमरा में बोलते रहना.
मैं हूँ राजवीर.
कौन है तू?
राजवीर.
लाजवीर के राजवीर.
राजवीर.
क्या उम्र है तेरा?
मेरा 5 साल.
5 साल का है तो. और क्या करने आया है घर में?
पढ़ लिखने.
क्या लिखेगा? नहीं मालूम.
एम
क्या सीखा? अच्छा मैंने क्या सिखाया अभी तक वो बता दे. कैमरा.
ANN AS
पता है तुझे? बोल. AMM ANN. तो एन एम एज. लड़का है राजवीर. ही कम्स होम बिकॉज ही हैज़ नो होम टू स्टे. लाइक ही डजंट हैव अ मॉम and his father requested to keep him in our house till the time he goes back to boarding school. So wo hisab se he comes home and he spends time with us. So this is another little companion that we have in our daily life. Huh?
in our daily routine.
In our daily routine, yes. Okay, we are just done with prayers. So what we'll do is we'll do some more studies. Sophie will do little more studies and Rajveer will do little more studies, and I will start work in the kitchen. So I'm going to take you all with me in the kitchen to show you what I'm cooking. टी का साउंड क्या है? टी का साउंड है ट. टॉप.
टॉप.
टर्टल. ट हो गया ना. ट का साउंड आता है, राइट? सेम वे ये क्या है? एच का साउंड क्या है? ह. टी का साउंड है ट. एच का साउंड है ह. मेरे बाद बोल. टी का साउंड है ट. ह. बोल फिर से. ये क्या है? ट. after you're free. ठीक है? अरे एच है ना ह. क्या हाँ अभी हाँ कैसा बोला ह आया ना आवाज. मेरे को आवाज बता इसका आवाज क्या है. इसका आवाज क्या है. फिर से बोल इसका आवाज. इसका आवाज. इसका आवाज. तो चलिए अब जब बच्चे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं मैं फटाफट से लंच की तैयारी करती हूँ. आज हम बना रहे हैं बटर चिकन. सो उसके लिए मैंने चिकन को मैरिनेट किया हुआ है विथ दही, जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट, सॉल्ट एंड कश्मीरी रेड चिली पाउडर. ऑल्सो मैं मसाला पेस्ट तैयार करूँगी. फॉर दैट आई विल रिक्वायर अनियंस, टमाटोज, कैशूज, लिटिल कोरिएंडर लीव्स, salt, Kashmiri red chili powder and red chili powder. While my masala paste is cooking, I'm also frying the chicken. Okay, so Sophie is finally done with her studies. And today what did she learn?
14 times table.
14 times table. So Sophie, you will tell us what is 14 times table?
Yes. 14 months are 14. 14 are 28, 43, 44, 44,
And what were you doing while learning? She was crying because she was not able to learn the tables. I told her it's okay. Things are not easy, but it is not
impossible.
It's not impossible. And now I like that you closed your eyes and you were remembering. That is good because to get focus now, you need to keep everything shut. Even if it is to close your eyes also, it's fine. Close your eyes and remember what you are trying to learn. And automatically your focus will come in place. Okay. Aren't you proud that you finished 14 times table? Did you like that you cried?
No.
It's okay if you cried. But what would have happened if you would have given up?
I wouldn't have told all this.
Yes. And would you get that proud feeling?
No.
So it's okay. If it is challenging, give yourself time. Don't be so irritated and unhappy that, oh, I have to learn this, I have to learn that. You're growing now. You'll have more things to learn. Okay?
History, geography,
Yes.
biology.
Yeah, very good. First learn tables. 14 times table you did, no? Be happy with that. Yay! So we did 14 times table. Sophie has recently become a huge Justin Bieber fan. Whenever she wants to unwind, she plays Justin songs and she just dances and enjoys herself. I let her do that. Something about Justin that she now seems to take a liking to. The butter chicken is all ready and bubbling away. So I grinded that masala paste. I added it to that same dish. I added the chicken, butter, kasuri methi, garam masala powder and cream, little water, and I cooked it all. At the same time I even made jeera rice. Sophie, what you're doing, darling?
I am making this puzzle.
What puzzle is this? What's the picture of it?
It's this. I'll show it to you in a bigger form. But there's one mask.
And what's that mask for?
This mask is to get to know the secret hidden messages.
Ah. So did you find any messages?
No, I have to make it and then I have to find it.
But where's the mask?
So the mask I'll show you.
I think it's behind you. I spotted it.
Yes, it's right here. And you see everything red in it. How do I look?
You look nice, but this is like that Mr. India.
Oh, please. I'll
When he
show
wears
you.
red.
I'll put this in the camera and I'll
No, don't do all. Oh my god. Yes, you're looking like Mr. India. How he was
I also
visible.
want to see.
He was visible when you were in red. When you wear red, he's visible
So
now.
this is how it is.
And then you can find a secret message.
Yes. So if
राजीव कौन सा गाना गा रहा है? गाना, हाँ. Sophie, which song was he singing? You sing.
yeah, mommy, suicide, suicide. राजीव मुझे वो चाहिए.
अब हो गया है शाम के 5 बजे के आसपास एंड मैं दोपहर को सो गई थी. हम सब सो गए थे. वी वॉच्ड, आई थिंक आफ्टर लंच वी वॉच्ड अ नेटफ्लिक्स शो विच इज़ सोफीज फेवरेट शो ऑफ what was the name of your show, darling? My Little Pony. तो My Little Pony के एक आध एपिसोड्स देख के वी वेंट टू स्लीप एंड बस अब चाय वाय पियेंगे एंड थिंक मैं भी सोफ़ी के साथ थोड़ा पजल्स खेलूँगी. So let's see. So finally Sophie has completed her lovely magical puzzle.
Also, I'll show you something.
Okay.
This camera.
Okay, yeah, the secret messages, right.
Okay, now you have to go a lot more close.
So Sophie will be reading out those secret messages for all of us now that she's finally completed her puzzle. Right, Sophie?
Yes.
Okay, come on.
So here is I am happy, I am brave. Here is I am powerful beyond my wildest dreams. I've got spark.
Slow. What is it? Be loud and clear.
Okay. So here is I am happy, I am brave. On the butterfly's wings.
Okay.
Then there will be a cloud and there's I am powerful beyond my wildest dreams right here. I've got sparkles right here. I reach for the stars. It's my time to shine. I believe in myself. Kindness is my power. Today is my day. I make my own magic. I am beautiful inside and out.
That's it.
I think there's more.
There are
It's
nice
my time
messages.
to shine. I believe in myself.
These are nice messages. Did
Yeah.
you learn something from these messages?
Yes.
What? What is that? A fan over? It's your mask. Why are you playing with it like that?
So good.
So what did you learn from? Which is your favorite message?
I like this. I like this. I like all the ones.
We also had to complete a summer camp assignment. This is basically a positivity board game that we are making. So it's very similar to Snakes and Ladders game, where we have these boxes which tells us the positive action that we need to do. So me and Sophie are engaged in making that. So as you can see, these are the cutouts of the positivity board game. Since they are too tiny, we are going to stick them on sticky notes so that they look colorful, and this is how it will look. And we are going to stick all of that in the form of a board game on a chart paper. So here how it looks after sticking it all together from numbers 1 to 40. It's now evening time at around 8. Husband bhi aa gaye hai ghar pe, and we are settling all the clothes and putting them back in the cupboard. While we do that, we are also discussing and saying कि कल क्या बनाना है. That's because कल Sunday है and husband always cooks up something special and delicious for us on Sunday. So he's browsing through what he wants to cook, and we'll be discussing the things that we will need to buy so that we have all the items needed for tomorrow's dish as well as for the week. So this is how my Saturday has been. I hope आपको अच्छा लगा ये वीडियो, और अगर अच्छा लगा then please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing another video which will show you how my Sunday went. So please look out for that. And also, if you want to know anything or have any sort of views that you want to express, please do comment on my video.